Yazid bin Hayyan says, I, Hussein bin Sabra and Amr bin Muslim visited Hazrat Zayd bin Arqam radiyallahu anhu. Hussein said, O Zayd, you have been blessed with good in abundance. You cited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, heard his hadith, fought jihad along with him, and performed the prayer in his lead. O Zayd, narrate to us any hadith you have heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Zayd radiyallahu anhu said, O nephew, now I have become aged and a long period of time has elapsed. So I have forgotten some of the ahadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam which I had retained. So accept the hadith which I narrate to you, but don't compel me to narrate what I don't narrate to you. He then said, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood at a pool called Kham situated between Makkah Mukarramah and Medina Munawwara in order to give a sermon. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after praising and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, said, O people, hearken, I am a human being. Soon a messenger of my Lord, angel of death, will come to me and I will respond to him. I am bequeathing two great things among you. The first of them is Allah's book, which contains guidance and light. Act upon Allah's book and adhere to it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then exhorted and urged the people to Allah's book. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, and second is the people of my house. I remind you of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu regarding the people of my house. I remind you of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu regarding the people of my house. Hussein said, O Zayd, who are the people of his house? Are his wives not among the people of his house? He replied, his wives are also included in the people of his house, but the people of his house are also those for whom the alms were declared forbidden after him. He said, who are they? He said, they are Hazrat Ali's progeny, Hazrat Aqil's progeny, Hazrat Jafar's progeny, and Hazrat Abbas' progeny. He asked, are alms forbidden for them all? He replied, yes. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6175.